So, what have we been up to this week? Not a lot. I'm going to start on this, getting the main keel band ready today. It's just been wet all the time. I have done one thing. I've been trying to get hold of this boat surveyor. Yeah, right. I've had no replies, nothing at all, so I can't move forward at all with it. If anybody knows of a surveyor over here, let me know. But at the moment, what do you do? I mean, obviously there's a pandemic on as well. I don't know if anybody's noticed, but you know. Anyway, I'm still going ahead. I have to. I have no other choice. Regardless of whether I get the surveyor or not, that boat has to go in the water. And I'm not putting the old one down. I could use that one because that one's obviously still within its licensing and all the rest, but I just can't do that, not with my back. I've got to think of the back now to save what's left of it. Anyway, today's video is a bass video. Now we are going out. It was back in around autumn time. Now I say that because when I put these bass videos up, I get people saying to me, aren't you not supposed to be fishing for bass? There's rules, all this sort of thing. And yeah, I know that. For the simple thing is, I don't target bass during the winter. Two reasons. One, my boat's not in the water. And two, the fish will be full of eggs now, and they'll be maybe even spawning now, maybe a bit later, not sure. Obviously it'll vary each year. But yeah, they're basically they'll all be spawning now, so why would I want to fish for them? The best thing is leave them alone, let them make lots of new bass, and then we'll all be happy and the fish will be happy. And then hopefully there'll be lots of fish for us in the summer. Also, this video will not have an outro. I don't know why. Well, I do know why. Because there isn't one. Pure and simply, when I went through the footage, for whatever reason, the video just finishes and there's no end to it. Whether I ran out of battery, whether I just stopped filming, whether the camera was off and I thought it was on, I have no idea. But there's no end to it, so it'll just finish where it finishes. But there's plenty to see still. So let's go and take a look. Right, we're back out. Do a bit of fishing again for bass. Then we might go for mackerel, we'll see. I shot out. It's been a bad start to the morning, back's killing me, and lemon came out, veered a bit to the left too much off the beach, caught a stone with the prop, the small engine, blew the thrust pin in it. So I had to go back on the beach, replace the thrust pin, get back out, so I lost a lot of time. Anyway, we're here now, let's get fishing. This time I didn't bother filming anything, I just literally jumped in the boat, shot straight out, catch up to the time. I probably could have gone and checked my pots, but by the time I get over there, the tide will be running hard. It's kind of slack at the moment. One. cow. They're all right hands, and as soon as I go to get one, I left them. Yeah, I've got somebody who wants a couple of bass a day, and this one's a bleeder, so I'm probably going to take this one. If it's size, no, it will be. Yeah, that's easily sized. Here we go again. Scallops. Size check. This one's right on the size limit, that one. So it can go free. And hopefully we'll catch a couple more. Heavier. This feels heavier. Badly up. And we lost it. Oh, we're gonna have one of these. Oh no, something's grabbed it again. Maybe a smaller fish. That's small. Might keep this one, I'll have a check. Make sure it's good enough over the size. I don't want it near the size, I want it well over, or as over as I can get it. Yeah, that one's alright actually. Keep that one. Head nods, that feels like a decent fish. They nod the head like that. Right, put that foul up on the surface. Or is it? That is half decent. That's a decent one. Like I say, you could tell by those head nods that was going to be a good one. There we go, that's a nice one. Hold on, hold on. Here's a problem here. We'll just motor up as well. That's a nice one. That is a nice one. It's not massive, but it's probably 3.5 maybe. I'll give it 3.5. Bigger than it was. Yeah. No, it came off. But they're there. Yep. Not bad size either. One of the better ones this morning. Oh, broke you up. There was something tapping at it, you saw it get knocked. It might have been a bit of seaweed, but no, it's bad. Right, I'm going to get moving up to there for the... See, I did say there wasn't an outro.